Allow me to introduce you to an exceptional figure, Samuel Thornton, a beacon of industriousness and dedication. In my youthful memories, I witnessed him tirelessly toiling in a manufacturing establishment, diligently crafting products and juggling a supplementary venture. His unwavering resolve was fueled by a profound aspiration, providing for our family, which included my mother and me. With every surplus dollar he earned, Samuel embarked on a financial journey, carefully stashing away his gains in a modest container and a modest bank account with nominal interest rates. His ambition? To break free from the confines of his current occupation, a vision sparked by my uncle's daring venture into the stock market. Skeptical of the potential hazards, my father voiced his reservations. However, little did Samuel comprehend that his choice to forego investing carried its own risks. The gradual erosion of his hard-earned funds due to the stealthy grip of inflation. As the years rolled on and currency depreciated, the prospect of extricating himself from the daily grind slipped ever further away. This profound realization left an indelible impression on me, igniting a determination to fathom the realm of investments and fortify my financial future. Fast forward to the present. I stand here before you, equipped with insights I fervently wish I had possessed earlier. So how does one navigate the intricate world of stock investments, shield their earnings from the insidious effects of inflation, and pave the way for a secure financial journey? Join me as we delve into the enigma, unveiling strategies that can transform aspirations into concrete achievements. Picture this. You work hard to save your money, but over time, the rising cost of living eats away at its value. That's where investing in stocks comes to the rescue. Today, I'm going to walk you through a game-changing strategy that can help you outpace inflation and even potentially set you up for some impressive returns. So let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our insightful videos that put you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. Now let's talk about the magic of investing in stocks. You see, when it comes to beating inflation, stocks can be your best friend. Just imagine, instead of your money sitting idle and losing value over time, you have the chance to invest in assets that actually grow faster than the rising cost of living. How cool is that? Stocks offer a two-pronged approach. First, through price appreciation. That's when the value of the stocks you own goes up. And second, dividends. Regular payments companies make to their shareholders. But here's where it gets even more exciting. The longer you stay invested, the more compound interest comes into play. It's like a snowball effect, where your money starts to grow exponentially. So, starting early is like giving your future self a high five. But hold on, before you dive into the world of stocks, let's talk about some important steps. First, make sure you've got your financial foundation solid. Pay off those high-interest debts and build up an emergency fund. Think of it as your safety net for life's unexpected curveballs. Now let's talk about strategy. Ever heard of the 70-20-10 rule? It's a fantastic guideline to manage your finances. Allocate 70% for your essentials, 20% for investments, hello stocks, and 10% for fun activities. But remember, everyone's situation is unique, so tweak it to fit your goals. When it comes to picking stocks, you've got two main tools in your toolkit: technical analysis and fundamental analysis. While technical analysis uses charts and patterns, fundamental analysis dives deep into a company's financial health and more. And guess what? Experts often lean towards fundamental analysis for a clearer, long-term picture. Now let's talk about diversification, your investment BFF. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets like equities, property, bonds, and even commodities like gold. This helps you ride out market ups and downs with confidence. As you journey through life, your investment strategy might evolve. In your younger years, go for growth by focusing on stocks. But as you approach retirement, consider adding stable options like bonds to your portfolio. Remember, patience is key. Don't let short-term market swings shake your long-term vision. So how can you get started on this exciting investing journey? Well, there are plenty of user-friendly apps out there that make buying stocks a breeze. It's never been easier to dip your toes into the world of investments. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using the power of stocks to beat inflation and set yourself up for a prosperous financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow financial explorers. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, I'm here to be your guide as you navigate the exciting world of investing. So keep those questions coming in the comments below. And until next time, stay curious and keep growing.